In this video for Referrer Pro, we're going to start looking at how you use the actual script. And the first thing you want to do is go to your profile, because there you can change the settings for your user. So you can change the email if you want to, and you can change the password that's been set up for the account and even the name as well. And when you're happy with that, you can check save. Now we'll go through each of these as we go through the script, but I don't want to use spots just for the second. I want us to look at the reward plans first of all. So we'll choose reward plans. And here, if we've got some set up already, we can actually search by keyword or by the actual referral type. But we're going to set up a new reward plan, so we choose add new. And here we now want to give the title to the reward plan. We want to choose based on, is it sent, is it clicked, or is it ordered? Now ordered will mean when someone reaches the thank you page, the download page where you've got code, and I'll show you that later, then it'll be part of their reward. It can be how many times a link is clicked, or how many times something is sent, how many actually are sent out. So we could say that we want to have just one referral to give them the reward. It's entirely up to you what you want to do here. And then you can also see a list of additional tags that can be used inside the template if you like. In the admin tag groups, the admin and also the referrer. And as you can see here, it says dear and the name. We appreciate your assistance. Here's your reward. So this is if they've been given the reward, then it will appear here, and you've got the what you see is what you get editor. So this is once someone has done the number of leads that you've requested and the type, they'll then get a message telling them where they can get it. So you can set up a download link to the reward, the products. So say you're giving away a product here, or sign up to a membership. You can put all that information into this message here. Once you're happy with that, don't forget to put in a title. We go ahead and save. So as you can see now, I've set up a new reward plan. It's called new reward, this one, and the type is a sent type of reward, and they need to produce one lead only. Now you can choose if you needed to edit this. Say, I meant to put in, for example, 20 leads. Then you just check the pencil or click the pencil icon, go back in, and you can now amend this particular reward plan as well inside here. I'm going to leave it for the purpose of this video just at the one, so we can go through the walkthrough. So now that we've done the reward plan, we're going to look at the spots. So we're going to choose the spots section next, and we choose add new. So on this page there's some details to fill out. A title I've just called my new spot, and then you can choose the reward plan by checking on add new. Now we created the reward plan a moment ago. We called it new rewards, so just by clicking it, it's going to pop it in there for me. If I close the window, you'll see that it's appeared, and then I can just put in the instructions for step 1, 2, 3, and then the terms if I want to use them. So I'm just going to put in anything here just to show you. You'll see more later as we go through the demonstration, but if we put in here, for example, step 1, let's copy this. Let's paste this in here and write step 2, and then for step 3, and you'll see all this information come up. I want to use terms, so my terms will go here. And again, you've got the what you see is what you get editor, and you can even paste in HTML source. If you've pre-written it and designed it in another editor, you can use the HTML source as well. Now you want to define the links to a particular product. So you want to put in a link here that they're going to be forwarded to. So for example, you can put in the link that you're going to send the person to of a site. So I'm going to put in a link here to the site I want to, and again it says you can see the list of additional tags. So we can have an admin information, we can have invitation emails, referrer's name, message, etc. You can put any of this information here. So it says here a few moments ago, your friend, and it will say user, visited my site and thought you should check it out. And then user's message, which they can add, and you'll see this later. Visit now, and then link 1, it will go to the link. If you think that you should not have got this message, please click here, and this then allows them to report abuse if people are spamming. Now it says find button text. It's defaulted to add contacts. I'm going to leave that for the purpose of this video. Show end contact fields if manually option is selected, so you can choose how many contact fields will appear. The maximum user's message size if they want to put their own message. Affiliate ID parameters, it's got here by default affiliate ID, so this integrates nicely with Delavo. The restrictions allow user to invite again after so many minutes. You can do that if you want to, or you can restrict them, allow them to use the same account no more than amount of times. If it's empty or zero, it's unlimited during a so many day period. So you can set the restrictions here if you wanted to, so they couldn't just keep requesting more people and sending out messages. It's really to protect people, those that will perhaps use it for spam purposes. You can stop them from sending constantly, just hitting send to the same people. You can define the block width and height here if you want to, and the background color, the font color, the font style and the font size, and then you're going to be given includes, which I'll come and show you these shortly when we come back to embedding them if we wanted to into a page. It will then put this information into a page where you want the actual referrer section to work. Once you're happy with all the information, you go ahead and click save.